Hello everyone. What I have here today is the Kaba Quattro S. Try to get you a good shot of this key so you can see how absolutely bonkers it is. It is 21 pins, I believe, in an arrangement of 4 rows. So lots of fun. Alright, I'm going to go in and check the right side first. A little click off of what I believe is the 3rd pin on the bottom stack of the right side. Trying to find something binding right now. I just set 2 pins on the left side and got a very, very slight turn on the core. A little bit more of a turn on the core. I feel like we're almost there. These locks have incredibly tight tolerances, so you don't get much movement. And when you do, it's usually a sign that it's almost open. Ooh, I just dropped about 6 pins. That sucks. Yeah, after dropping all those pins, we pretty much just started over. Alright, I will not be gutting this because I will end up destroying it. That's as far as I'm going to turn it. Last time I turned one further, it dumped all the driver pins into the core and I could not get the lock apart. There you go. That is the Kaba Quattro S. Trying to get a good shot of the pins in there. Come on, camera, work with me. You can see they don't come in straight. They all come in at angles. But, yep, that is our Kaba Quattro S. Again, there's that totally bonkers key. Alright everyone, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.